Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkLaTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkLaTexHomepage.com app. And as we look at that weather pattern, we continue to watch a couple of things. This disturbance, which is developing an area of low pressure along the Texas coast, and also watching a bit of energy moving through the Rockies right now. Kind of a 1-2 punch here, as we will see this area of low pressure, which is now along the Texas coast, move across Louisiana into Mississippi during the course of the next 24 hours. As it moves by, we'll see a persistent rain, mainly over the southeastern three-quarters of the ArkLaTex, and then the main upper-level feature that I mentioned will move through Friday, and as a result we'll see lots of clouds from now through much of Friday, and then once that upper level system moves through, we'll see some sunshine return just in time for the weekend. Here's a look at temperatures tonight. Don't expect much change tonight, as we'll dip into the upper 40s across most of the ArkLaTex. That includes 49 tonight in Shreveport, 47 in Texarkana, 48 degrees for the low temperature in Marshall. Daytime highs tomorrow will struggle to make it through the 50s into the upper 50s, low 60s. That includes 60 in both Texarkana and Shreveport, 64 in Natchitoches, and 61 degrees for the daytime high tomorrow in Center. Here's a look at Robin's Chart of Futurecast, and you can see that as we progress our way into Wednesday evening, we will stay cloudy across the region. Probably have to wait until after sunset to see the rain increase across the ArkLaTex. As you can see, the showers, which will be ongoing here during the morning. Notice basically just rain here in the ArkLaTex. The heavier showers and thunderstorms well towards south and east over southern and southeastern Louisiana into Mississippi. That's closer to where that low is going to be tracking, and as we go through the day, we'll continue to see the persistent rain over much of the area during the morning. During the afternoon, that rain will begin to decrease some, and then we'll be watching that second cold front, which is going to be approaching the area from the north and west. Maybe a little bit of rain possible with that as it makes its way into the region Thursday night. Futurecast showing quite a few clouds across the region to start Friday. Might see a little bit of sunshine mix in with the clouds as we go through the day, but then the main upper level disturbance will keep us mostly cloudy for Friday. Those clouds will gradually begin to decrease Friday night, and we'll see lots of sunshine across the region for the weekend. Rainfall potential, again, pretty much similar to what I mentioned over the last couple of days. Futurecast still showing the heaviest rainfall over East Texas and northwest Louisiana, where upwards of an inch plus will be possible. One thing that has changed is that the model has dropped off dramatically the rainfall potential over the northwestern sections of the area. Basically, most of southwest Arkansas, northeast Texas, and southeast Oklahoma, amounts there probably will be less than a half an inch and probably less than a quarter of an inch, as we see a rather dramatic drop-off in rainfall totals once you move into the northwest half of the region. As far as the overall pattern, you can see that first disturbance moving through. Here comes the trough, which will take its time in moving through the area during the day Friday. Once it clears, dry weather for the weekend and Monday, and then we'll see another minor disturbance which may squeeze out a few showers, mainly Monday night. Not going to see a whole lot of rain associated with this disturbance. Models are hinting that another more significant disturbance, this one right here, will begin to affect us as we go into the last half of next week, say Thursday, Friday, and perhaps even next weekend. We could see some rain across parts of the ArkLaTex. So that's what we're kind of looking at as far as rainfall chances in the week ahead. So let's break all that down with a look at your 7-day forecast. And you can see periods of rain over much of the area for tomorrow. In Shreveport, only 60 for the high, 58 for Friday with lots of clouds. Same thing with some sunshine Saturday. You can see lows this weekend in the mid-30s, pretty close to normal. We'll warm up dramatically Sunday into the mid-60s, 65 Monday as clouds begin to increase. And again, 20%, that may be pushing it. Most of that 20% will be Monday night, which could linger into Tuesday morning, and then we'll see some sunshine Wednesday in advance of perhaps another chance of rain late next week. As far as Texarkana, again, rainfall chance is not quite as high for tomorrow. You will see, again, a lingering slight chance early Friday as that main upper level system begins to approach the area. And then nice weekend, highs 50 Saturday, low 60s Sunday. You should stay in the low 60s Monday, and then cool off back to the 50s heading into next week. And you can see a little bit of a cool down with lows next Tuesday night in the upper 20s to low 30s across much of the ArkLaTex. So dig out those umbrellas. It looks like a persistent rain falling for most of the ArkLaTex, especially East Texas and northwest Louisiana for Wednesday night, Thursday, and that rain should come to an end for the most part as we go through Thursday night into Friday morning.